Hi, Charles here. Well, last week I finished dimming down these Raptor lights I put on, and I really like it. And of course, they made them kind of black out. And then, of course, it made me think of one more thing. I've been seeing some videos about people using Plasti Dip or Hyper Dip on the Emblem. So I think I'm going to do that. Thanks for watching. There are a zillion videos showing people doing Plasti Dip on their badges and the name of the vehicle and all that. So I'm not going to do this. Is not going to be an actual tutorial, but I'll just be using the standard Plasti Dip. It's a little cold, should be warmer, but you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it. The trick I've heard is you warm this up, so you don't put it in a pot with water on the stove, but you get pretty hot water and just leave this in it and really warm it up. And I've heard that's even a good idea when it's warmer weather. The worst that can happen is it looks lousy and I'll peel it off. But my plan is I need to clean this all up. Then I'm going to be taping and blocking all this so I'm not sending Plasti Dip onto the radiator. And I mainly just want it on the badge. I mean, it wouldn't hurt if it's on here, but my plan is to tape it so it's going to overlap on the plastic, and then I'll be peeling away from that. So I'll get this cleaned up and then taped off, and then we'll start putting probably at least 6 or more very thin layers of Plasti Dip on here, and we'll see how it turns out. Well, for the most part, I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to do what I do and make this very short. I do want you to know that I've actually watched a video or two where people were doing this in 20-degree weather. It's in the 30s right now, and they say the only thing is if you're not careful with the layers, you can get kind of an uneven result. And so that, but you know, I've got a can. I could probably with that can do this 10 times or something. So we'll just get it cleaned up, taped off, and we'll see what happens. I'm now going to do number 2 layer, and from this point on you do wet spray, overlapping 50%. Okay, this is layer number 3. Okay, I'm starting to lose my line. This is going to be the final coat, number 6. It's dry, but I'm just throwing in a little extra warmth, not too close. So it's just about done with 15 minutes of drying, but I'm going to go ahead and get this pulled off. I'm losing my light. So it really looks great. It's really tempting. You put on one coat and you go, oh, it looks awesome, but you have to put on more than one coat. You need to get up to 5 or 6 or more so that it will peel off of the area that's excess. So I'm going to move the camera in and pull the tape, and then what you do is you pull away, not like this, because you could maybe pull off where you want to keep it, but there's such a big gap there. I don't think that would happen, but here we go. I can always redo it. I don't suggest you do this in cold weather, but with the heat gun, warming it up a little bit, and always keeping the can in hot water in the kitchen, it worked great. Well, I decided to go ahead and try to finish it, so I've just got one little bit left right here that is rolling off well for me. So I'll just stop filming right here, but I like how it turns out. Pretty easy to do. Just make sure you mask off everything and do it in warmer weather. But it turned out. Thanks for watching.